Welcome, lawyers. Today's topic is maximizing law firm marketing with ebooks. Today, after being in my law class, I'm going to approach this post in the IRAC method: issue, rule, application, and conclusion. The issue: how can lawyers consistently attract new clients with a proven, quantifiable strategy? Rule: utilize meta lead ads featuring downloadable ebooks. Application/analysis. Quantifiable advertising is challenging for lawyers. Traditional methods lack direct metrics. For instance, asking them to call now or visit a web page is really hard to track directly, and often it can be really expensive. Using a vanity number is one way to do it, or creating a landing page specific for that ad is another way, but there's so many workarounds, Another thing to bear in mind when creating advertising is that potential clients need to see quantities of your content before hiring you. But there is a more quantifiable way to do this. Today, I'm talking about video ads with a downloadable ebook to engage potential clients, build trust, and awareness. Facebook lead ads, coupled with targeted ebooks, offer a practice area focused approach. Unlike other tactics, ebook downloads provide concrete data, making tracking and analysis really precise. With a downloadable ebook, you can target your ideal clients, such as Social Security disability benefit cases, brain injury cases, trucking accident cases, or throw a wide net and go for car accident cases. Asking them to download a practice area specific ebook really narrows the scope of people who are going to respond to your ads, making those people more qualified. They trade their contact information for your ebook. This means that you can see exactly who downloaded the ebook and later compare their names and contact information in your case management software. Then you know who actually got signed and from which ads and when. Video content does play a crucial role in both the ads and in your ebook. In your ebook, you have content that empathetically showcases what your clients are facing, what they're up against, and how you provide these kinds of solutions. So let's look at an ebook sample where I'm using Midjourney to create the images. So here is a lawyer who mainly practices defending people who have had DUIs. And he actually only wants really high-end clients who are basically coming out of the country club or the yacht club. And this Midjourney made the most beautiful images with me one night. We worked really hard on this together, me and the Midjourney. But here's what an ebook looks like from him, and really illustrating what the person's going through, protecting their professional license. Also, every one of these videos we shot, and I used Midjourney in the background to look like a court, and these click away to his Facebook page. Create videos that encourage them to download your ebook, ranging from warm and educational videos to ones that really feel urgent, because meta ads, when you're running these ads, they do get stale and you need a new approach. Of course, no advertising is perfect. There's lots of factors that go into each step of this approach. And I started by creating this strategy just out of my own head for a law firm in Pennsylvania in 2017 who had very little experience with advertising. And I wanted to give them something that was provable and quantifiable. Creating this content in a way that truly makes it a success actually takes a lot of time, talent, a boatload of experience, and effort. I've found that this detailed approach, once all stabilized and working, does yield about 80 to 140 leads or more, depending on your practice area and your budget, every month. This has by far been the least expensive and most quantifiable way of getting clients that I know of. I value your insights. So if you have any thoughts or questions about all this, email me, Mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. Your feedback is essential for shaping our discussions and this content. So the conclusion here is ebooks paired with meta ads is revolutionizing law firm advertising here at GoMedia Marketing Productions. By precisely tracking ebook downloads, lawyers can quantify their advertising efforts down to the penny. And this is an unparalleled advantage in legal marketing. Agency fees usually start at about $3,000 a month, depending on your practice area. And the platform, usually you need to be prepared to pay them around $1,000 a month at the very least. These prices, of course, vary, but it provides kind of a framework for understanding your investment. The expenditure can gradually increase over time if you want it to, or even sometimes it decreases over time and you start signing clients for less and less money as the platform begins to learn what really works. So, are you ready to transform your law firm's marketing strategy? Contact me today and let's explore our expertise as related to your practice area and elevate your practice to new heights. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.